Hi, this is Jennifer, and here's a quick primer on how to use the Outlook Redtail application that we created. So when you're in your inbox and you click on an email, you go up to your little dog and click on the button. When you left click, you have two choices. You can either automatically send this task to your Redtail system, and it'll do the best to match it up, or you can edit and send the task. So if I click on Edit and Send the task, over here, if it's your first time, it'll ask you to log into your Redtail. But if you're already logged in, it'll retain it when you log out of your system and log back in. You can change the subject line if you'd like. You can change the start and end date. If there's no contact found, you can remove this, and you can do a search if you'd like. So you can search by name, email, and so forth. This is a semi-intelligent search. Do not expect it to be perfect. It will search the best it can, but it's going through a lot of algorithms. So just be patient with it, or just find some record that you always want to attach general emails to. And then once I click Send Task, it will send the task into Redtail, okay? And it will loop it up. Let's say in this case let's move this back. To my virtual COO operations, okay? And we'll send the task there. And then it'll be actually in the Redtail system under that record. And the body of the email will be inside the description field of the task. So let me show you what that looks like. Here it is. It's attached to this record, and here's the body of the email. And from there, if you'd like to edit it, you can. I hope this helps to save you time and move tasks from the email box and delegate them to other staff members inside your firm.